Attention, all crypto enthusiasts. 2025 is that most expected bull season, altcoin season year of the crypto industry, and with the inauguration of President Donald Trump, who is a pro crypto president, we all have very high hopes for this industry in this year. But very well, there's a set of persons who are left out due to the lack of proper knowledge, time, and skill sets to actually take or make the most of the crypto industry, probably through trading in this year 2025. Well, if that's you, then come. If you're looking at getting access to what altcoins that will do well in this industry, if you're looking at getting guides on how you can perform basic fundamental research and find altcoins that will win in this incoming bull market, and getting access to proper profitable trade signals from a team of technical experts who have over the years provided our community with signals, trade calls, and market insights that are top notch. Well, the 10x ALTSEASON workshop is for you. The 10x ALTSEASON workshop is a workshop conveyed by Divine Trader, where I myself joined the team of technical experts who will be preparing you guides on a list of investment funds and assets to buy and hold in this bull market, profitable trade calls, trade signals to help you navigate your trading journey, and also fundamental research guides on how you by yourself can perform these baseline fundamental research, find altcoins that will win, and not take blind investment decisions in this bull market. And also, we're going to be providing you with a one-on-one consultation session on request on demand for you getting into that program with our team of technical experts, where you get access to inquire on questions, areas that you need guides, clarity, and a little bit of walkthrough on. Well, this program is one which anyone who is a crypto enthusiast that wants to make the most of the cryptocurrency industry in 2025 should not dare to miss. Well, if you're looking at getting in on this, click the link around this video, and I want to see you take advantage of this project, take advantage of this program, and make the most of the 2025 crypto bull market.